Do you have an old iPhone just taking up space in your drawer? Well, in this episode, I show you how you can turn it into a cool piece of desk art. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, this is Adrian from T is for Tech. And for a while I've had this iPhone 4 sitting in my drawer in my office, and I didn't know what to do with it, right? It's a pretty old phone. Still worked. Actually turned it, could turn on and it actually worked. I just didn't use it. And the battery was, not holding a charge and that sort of thing. So I was kind of thinking about this, and I saw somebody had a post on Reddit, I think that's where I saw it first, where they took apart a phone and they mounted it into a shadow box, kind of like exactly like this. So I decided to try to do it myself, right? So I thought it'd be like a cool thing just to have and put on my desk, and spark some conversation at work or whatnot, because everyone's going to be like, hey, what the heck did you do, and how did you get that, where did you get that? So just a good fun thing to have for people that like tech like me. So I decided to do this. So basically pretty simple. You just need to take apart the phone for one, and then find some way to mount it into kind of a shadow box. And this shadow box I got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $17 or $18, with a like a 40% off coupon, because you can get coupons at Hobby Lobby. So say for instance $10 for the box. It's an 8x10 box, and inside of there was like a felt kind of fabric, and I just kind of ripped that off and put a piece of poster board or fine art kind of board behind it, and sprayed that with some some contact cement glue in a spray, and then glued that to the back of the frame. And then I just went to town and kind of mounted the iPhone to the white, the backing there. And so, it's not too crazy. You just use a hot glue gun, kind of took all the pieces out. I threw some of the little bits and pieces out that weren't useful, or I didn't think would look so good on here. So it's not all the pieces of the phone. It's a majority of the pieces of the phone, like the logic board, the speaker assembly, and the home button, and a bunch of stuff. So I just took the pieces I thought would look cool as part of like this little display, and I used the hot glue gun and I just glued them to the backing, and then I obviously just mounted it into the shadow box. So I just thought that was kind of a cool thing, and so I'll just show you a little bit of a video here sped up of me just kind of gluing everything together, and then the final project. So hopefully this sparks some ideas for you if you're looking to do something with an old phone or an old piece of electronics. You can definitely do the same thing and have something cool to put on your desk. Thanks for watching. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, make some comments below, potentially subscribe, and I'll see you next time.